Hi, this is Steve Davis over at Total Wealth Academy, and this is Investor Tip Tuesday. The tip today is don't invest in things you don't understand. Why? I would be willing to bet that the majority of people that lose money in investments didn't understand the investment. They, forgive the term, arrogantly went out and said, this is not rocket science. I'll just invest in this. They might invest in a restaurant, they might invest in real estate, they might invest in a franchise, and they really don't understand it. That is arrogance, and that will destroy you in investing. See, the students at Total Wealth Academy are educated to a level where they understand just about as much as the sponsors do. The sponsors are the people raising the capital. They lead the deals. They buy the apartment complex, they negotiate it, they manage it, they sell it, they do everything. The sponsor does everything. The passive investor puts up the money. But our passive investors know almost as much as the doggone sponsors. Did you know that's required by law to be a passive investor? You have to be what's called sophisticated. You have to have enough knowledge and information to be able to make an educated decision on whether the deal is right for you or not. It's the law, and it's the law for good reason. Do not invest in anything that you don't understand. If you're thinking about investing in real estate, you need to get with us or someone like us and educate yourself to the level where you understand NOI, COI, ROI, IRR, equity multiplier. You need to understand everything about the deal before you ever put your money up. That's Investor Tip Tuesday. Thanks for watching.